Hi there, you're welcome to HisGov TV. And today I have a good news for all lovers of artifact and the Asante Nation as a whole. Dr. Erica, who is from the Fowler University, who is from the Fowler Museum in University of California, came to the Asantehene, the king of the Asante Empire, I think last Friday or so during the Day, and she made it known to the king Asantehene that they are willing to return the stolen artifact during the 1874 Sargent War, known as the Sagrenti War, to the palace of Menchia. Let's go and listen to her, and then we will come back to react to that.
I don't think anything, there's nothing critical. It's more that I'm here just to say that it would really be our honor to return these wrongly taken objects back to the kingdom. And so we want to figure out how we do that, what the process is, and to find what works best for everyone here. That's really our main goal, is that this is as easy for everyone here, and that we take on the burden of making sure that this is done right. So, I think that going forward, we will speak to university about the process from our side, but also we would want to know from you what the process would be for you to take back, and when, and these kinds of questions.
So you heard, of course, Dr. Erica, who was talking over there. So their mission is simple. They just want to come and ask the seat as to how, of course, the processes involved in returning these artifacts back to the palace. And Asantehene Nana Osei-Tutu the second was very, very happy. He even wanted it to come by by 2024 February, which he believed would be the anniversary of 150 years anniversary since the war took place. If you want to know more about the war, the Sagrenti War of 1874, I'll include a link in the description. I have a video describing vividly what actually happened in the war in this video. But hey, we are talking about, of course, returning African art, and this has been something that I always tell my students, that there are a lot of African arts. If you go to the Menchia Palace today, there are a lot of art, Asante arts in, of course, British museums and museums in the US, more than the artwork that you find in the Menchia Palace. Those who produce the artifact, they have less in their museums as compared to those who stole it. The Europeans stole a lot of artifacts from African people. If you go to France, there are a lot there. You go to Germany, a lot of European artifacts were stolen. So whenever there is war, sometimes they even come with that intention. Whenever there is war, after the war, they destroy, they take everything. And even the golden stool of the Asante, which of course led to the Asante, the Asante War. That was the aim. They wanted to come and capture the golden stool, and that led to the Asante War of 1900. And so, hey, that is of course something, and I think it's a good initiative by the university, and I think I applaud the university for that. Because according to Otunfo, he even approached, of course, Britain to release some of the artifacts, of course, that were taken. But to him, he says the museum law or whatever does not permit or does not give the museum that power to release the artifact. And these artifacts are not for the, of course, Europeans. I think these, of course, Europeans are thieves. Excuse me, but they are thieves, because you have taken the thing. It doesn't belong to you. Why do you still want to keep them? So I think that it will be a very good occasion for us to see some of the artifacts which were looted or stolen after the Sagrenti War of 1874. And I believe that myself, I'll be very much happy to be at the ceremony, to welcome this tolling act by these, of course, Europeans. Share your view in the comment section. I don't know what you think about that.